Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. Today, estate plans need to be reviewed and updated periodically, right? So when there's a key life event, some monumental change, a change in the law, right, or a change in financial or physical circumstance, you should revise your will. I'm continuing with number 24 out of 34 common estate traps. So a few more reasons today of why you should take a look at your estate plan and see if it remains a viable, productive plan. So a change in your life or long-term care insurance. So if you had a term life policy and it ended, you should look at your estate plan. If you have the opportunity to get more life insurance because of an offer, you should consider that as well. Illness or disability of your spouse. So if you're a married person and there's a physical change with your spouse, the onset of an illness, maybe some type of disability or incapacity, you should look at your plan and see if it still makes sense in the context of that new situation. A child or grandchild needs educational funding, right? So if that circumstance occurs, take a look at your plan. A child or grandchild becomes an adult. You have a minor child hits 18. What, if anything, does that do to your estate plan? What about if you have a grandchild that became an adult? Does that change your plan? Do you want to now make that person an executor? Do you want to change the bequest to that person? If you had a guardian, does that somehow impact your plan, right? I don't know your specific situation right now as we sit here today, but any event like that really should cause you to look at your plan. Let's see if I want to say any other ones today. No, I'll save the rest for tomorrow. So this is a day-by-day podcast, Elder Law Every Day, Daily Elder Law. I'm in the middle of a series now. Then I field questions of the day. I field questions that I get by email, or sometimes what I'll do is I'll take a factual situation that's presented to me from a prospective client, and I will share that information with the public. I never reveal information about a person, right? So sometimes if I have a woman that asks me a question about her daughter, I might change the story to be a father asking a question about his son. If someone tells me that their grandmother passed away, my story may involve a grandfather that passed away. If there are siblings that are fighting and I represent or prospectively represent a brother against a sister, my story might be a sister against a brother, right? So I just use the real world examples as a way to educate the public. If you would like to speak with me about your particular situation, you can schedule an appointment with me, frankbrunolaw.com. That's my website. I have plenty of information there, blog posts, video posts, and hope you'll learn a lot. Thank you. Speak to you soon.